In this video, I'm going to explain to you when you should use the present perfect tense. How should it be used? What's the difference between present perfect and past simple? As a bonus, I'll also teach you one very useful idiom. Let's get down to business. Present perfect focuses on the result of an action in the present. It's a tense of achievement, success. I have painted the wall. I have finished the report. Here's the report. It's in my hand. It's ready. In both of these cases, we are focusing on the outcome of an action. The most important aspect of the present perfect tense that you need to understand is that it makes a direct link between the past and the present. Present perfect can be used for talking about experiences. Have you seen this movie? Have you played tennis? Have you ever been to Vegas? You can also use the present perfect tense with phrases like, it's the first time we've been to England. It's the second time I've forgotten my keys. In these cases, we are making a direct link between the past and the present because we are talking about all our experiences up till now. The next point that I would like to discuss is the phrases that are commonly used with the present perfect tense. Let's have a look at some examples. I haven't been to a restaurant since my baby was born. I haven't been to the cinema for ages. I have just finished my meeting. I have already seen this film. I haven't spoken to Jenny yet. As you can see, in these cases, you are also making a direct link between the past and the present. What's the difference between present perfect and past simple? Let's have a look at two examples. I have broken my leg and I broke my leg. I broke my leg means that you're probably all good now. I have broken my leg implies that you are probably lying in bed now and you cannot go out and you cannot go ice skating, skiing, play football or whatever. When you break the news to someone, you can do it in the present perfect tense. Even when you look at the headlines of some English newspapers, you will see that most of the headlines are in the present perfect tense. However, when you want to give more details of the story, you should do it in a past tense. Let's have a look at an example. George has crashed his car. His car skidded on ice and hit a tree. George was in shock, but fortunately, he didn't suffer any serious injury. As you can see, the first sentence is in present perfect. The following sentences are in a past tense. As a bonus, I would like to share with you an idiom that I think is very useful. Been there, done that. This expression is used to say that you are familiar with some experience. I've recently painted my flat. I didn't realize it's so much work. First I had to cover the furniture with plastic sheets. Then the painting itself just took me ages. Yep, been there, done that. I hope that this video gave you some idea how you can use the present perfect tense. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.